2017 Lincoln MKZ. With sharp angles, sleek lines, and a sculpted body, the Lincoln MKZ has an impressive stance and a dynamic design. Add that to the clean, modern interior with standard features, including rich leather, exotic wood, and a sophisticated assistant that responds to the sound of your voice, and you'll see the MKZ offers a new dimension of luxury. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, remote engine start, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, stability control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, Bluetooth, power steering, alloy wheels, one owner, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels, cruise control, keyless start, four-wheel disc brakes. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.